Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I want to show you how you can delete your Twitter app account, or X, permanently. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's get started. First of all, open up the X app. Next, you will need to navigate to your account. To do this, at the top on the left side, click on your image. Now you'll need to click on Settings and Support. Next is Settings and Privacy. And now the very first item you will select your account. Next, you'll need to select the last option, which is Deactivate your account. Next, this will tell you that your account on App X will be deactivated for 30 days. And once you deactivate it, for 30 days, you can reactivate your account at any time by simply logging into it and writing your password to log into your account. If you don't, your X account will be deleted permanently. So, you'll need to click Deactivate at the bottom. And next, you will need to write your password for your X account. And then you confirm the action. Click Deactivate. Your account will be inactive for 30 days after this period. Automatically, your account will be deleted permanently. Friends, this is the way to delete your Twitter account. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Put likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel. See you soon.